What's the meaning of blemish? Blemish. Blemish.
Blemish. Blemish. The word blemish refers to a mark or flaw that detracts from the appearance of something. It can refer to a physical imperfection, such as a scar or pimple on the skin, or to a figurative defect, such as a mistake or error in judgment. Blemishes can be small or large, subtle or noticeable, and they can have varying degrees of impact on how something is perceived. The concept of blemish is often associated with notions of beauty and perfection, highlighting the pressure individuals face to present themselves in an idealized manner. Blemishes can also be seen as opportunities for growth and acceptance of imperfection.